Welcome to this video on arc fault circuit interrupters, commonly known as AFCIs. AFCIs are advanced electrical safety devices designed to protect against electrical fires caused by arc faults. They are required in many residential and commercial electrical systems to enhance safety. An arc fault occurs when electricity jumps between damaged or loose wiring, generating high-intensity heat that can cause fires. Common causes include damaged insulation, loose connections, and worn-out cords. An AFCI is a circuit breaker or receptacle that detects dangerous arc faults and interrupts the circuit before a fire can start. It uses advanced electronics to distinguish between normal and hazardous arcs. There are different types of AFCIs. Branch/feeder AFCIs protect entire circuits. Combination AFCIs detect both parallel and series arc faults. And outlet AFCIs provide localized protection at receptacles. The benefits of AFCIs include preventing electrical fires, enhancing safety in homes and workplaces, meeting modern electrical code requirements, and providing peace of mind. AFCIs are typically required in habitable spaces like bedrooms and living rooms in residential buildings, and their mandate is growing with national and local electrical codes. It is important to know the difference between AFCIs and GFCIs. AFCIs protect against arc faults and fire, while GFCIs protect against ground faults and shock. They are typically required in different locations. In conclusion, AFCIs are critical for modern electrical safety, detecting dangerous arc faults and preventing fires. Adopting them significantly reduces electrical hazards. The key takeaway is that arc fault circuit interrupters save lives by preventing electrical fires before they even begin.